I can't wait for you to see this Central Beach gem, almost 1/3 of an acre with boat and RV parking. Come on in. This home boasts 2 renovated baths and a beautiful renovated kitchen. You can move right in. And check out this bonus drive for your boats, your RVs, all of your toys here in Central Beach. The front and backyard have been meticulously landscaped, and the backyard is fully fenced in for your total privacy. Now that you've seen this fabulous beachside home, hop on the golf cart with me as we take a look at some of my favorite places that are walkable and golf cart friendly. We are right down the street from one of the most popular restaurants beachside, the Tides. Many people have voted Casey's Vero's best burger. You could walk here, or I enjoy hopping on my golf cart. And we are right around the corner from this awesome plaza that boasts Solmar craft cocktails, as well as Sailfish Brewery to meet all of your craft beer needs. And don't forget the Polo Grill for fabulous steak and seafood. And of course, right across from the ocean, we have an iconic local favorite, the Lemon Tree, for breakfast and lunch, complimentary mini muffins and sorbet, so don't forget.